Was Crockin. Green coconut chicken curry. That's what's Crockin. All right. Go ahead and start this up. Brown saute. Temperature to high. Start. All right. For our ingredients, we got 1.5 pounds of skinless chicken breast sliced up, half teaspoon of salt and pepper each, 2 tablespoons canola oil, 1 onion sliced, 2 sliced zucchinis, 2 minced garlic cloves, a tablespoon minced fresh ginger root, 1 can of coconut milk, 14 ounces, 2 tablespoons of green Thai curry paste, 3 tablespoons chopped cilantro, 2 tablespoons lime juice. Look at that. So we're using lemon juice instead. Hopefully it turns out okay. But yeah, it's supposed to be lime juice though. Note that. And 1 tablespoon soy sauce. So yeah, once again, we're using our Crock Pot Express Crock Multi-Cooker recipe book. So we'll go ahead and let the temperature warm up because we're going to go ahead and brown the chicken for maybe about 7 minutes. Okay, so add a little bit of the oil to it. One thing I didn't note out before was so I kept putting the lid over here, over there. Where did I put the lid? But this thing is so cool that the rim actually has a holder specifically to place the lid in. So that's a cool little feature, you know. Every time I use this thing, I'm like noticing other little things. Okay, so we're pretty good warm, but let's go ahead and season up the chicken first before we drop them in there. Combination of the salt and pepper. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Okay, let's drop this chicken up in here, let it brown. Plop, like so. So we're gonna let that brown up. Probably take about 5 to 7 minutes. We got 24 right now. Okay. Now, the recipe also calls for jasmine rice, but you can use, whatever favorite rice you prefer. I'm going to stick with the jasmine rice, but that's cooked separately. So once we get to the part where this is all in the crock pot cooking, then I'm going to go ahead and prepare the rice. And I'm also going to prepare some black beans to go with the meal. Beans are always a good source of energy, other minerals and vitamins, and they give you that feeling of being full. So gotta always make sure to incorporate some type of beans into your meals. You'll be really thankful for it. You want to flip it over, you know, make sure all the sides get browned up. Once it's all brown, we're going to remove it to our plate, and that's where we're going to incorporate all the other ingredients into the crock pot, get them nice and tender, sauteed, flavored up, and then we're going to add the chicken back and lock it up. And remember, if you like, you know, little recipes we're whipping up, go ahead. You can like, you can subscribe, get your issue on a weekly basis, you know. Alright, so I think we're pretty well browned up. We're going to go ahead and transfer to the plate. Oh. Saved it. Alrighty. So add the remainder of the oil. Bam. Add our onions. Zucchini. Garlic. And the ginger. Now, ginger I always get like a kind of a soapy taste when I eat ginger, but I'm sticking to the recipe this time. If I taste a large amount of soap after it, I'm gonna either cut that amount in half or not put it in at all. I try to find some alternative because I really don't enjoy that soapy taste from ginger, but we'll do it by the book this time. We'll stick to the script. If you know a good substitute for the ginger that doesn't taste all soapy, please comment below. Let me know. And we'll go. Do it. Okay, once that's all added, stir it, let it saute for about 5 minutes. So I actually think I may have figured out or progressed to editing a little tiny bit. So I might skip forward a little bit without you even having to watch all me just wait this 5 minutes, tapping my fingers on the table until yeah, you get what I'm trying to say. Smells delicious already, and that's just the vegetables. We haven't added the coconut milk or the chicken back, so you know, it's pretty softened up, sauteed. Now we're going to go ahead and add the coconut milk. Get it all. Waste not, one not. You know, that's what we say. And then your paste. Oh my goodness, yo. This smell. I feel like I'm in a restaurant with some real Thai people whipping this up right now. Smells delicious. Okay, start, stop. Need to return the chicken. I sliced this chicken, but next time I think I'll shred it. That might be a better texture for me. Ooh. This looks beautiful. I'm gonna get that other angle for you folks so y'all can see what it looks like while I'm doing it up, but next time. Secure the lid. Make sure the steam release valve is in the release position. Released. Select slow cook. Bam. Just time to 30 minutes. Start. Low. Low temp, 30 minutes. Start. Oh wait, no. Stop. Okay, try that again. Slow cook. Temperature low. Adjust time, 30 minutes. Bam! That's what's crocking. We're gonna be back once it's all done in 30 minutes and see how it goes. What's crockin'? All right, it's about time for our curry to be complete. Just under a minute left. After this is up, we're gonna go ahead and stir in the cilantro. Oh, There it goes. Stop. So we're going to stir in our cilantro. Our lime juice. And the soy sauce. You know what? I'm gonna let y'all see how beautiful it looks inside the pot. Isn't that beautiful? Just beautiful. Okay, I hope y'all can still see me. Let's go ahead and all right. The official taste test. Get some more juice up in there. Some more juices. Smells delicious. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. I just hope that soapy ginger taste isn't too heavy. It smells so good. No soap. It's all good. Green coconut, chicken curry. That's what's crockin'.